Hello everybody!
Hello everybody! What do we have
Today
now?
we're eating Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate. This one. See. Okay, let's try. Let's give it a try. Let's see. Shout out to Tita Len. Thank you, Tita Len, all the way from Dubai. And thank you, Tita Isa, for sending this to us.
Thank you.
Okay, let's open it now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna open it.
Let's see.
I'm gonna
Let's see. Wait.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay, Ali wants to open. Okay.
It's pink, and I don't like pink.
Look at the camera, Ali.
No,
No, show it to them. So we have the flavor. What's the flavor we have?
Yeah. For
I
real,
think
why
it's
does it look like that?
Kanafa. Can't get
It looks like
Kanafa.
jelly on
Okay.
it.
So it's
Meow.
that one. Okay. And would you like to? Okay, do the honor, Ali. No, it's not like that.
You can eat it.
You have to cut it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 1, 2.
You got it.
Show it to them. Show it to them.
Oh, cut it.
Oh.
Wait. Ooh, that's the inside
that's
of it.
That's the
No.
inside. Okay. Ali. How is it?
My
And Alba also. Show it to them, Alba. How about you, Ali? How does it taste? Is it nice? Honest review. I made Dubai chocolate as well. So how you will rate this?
More good than yours.
More good than mine? Is it, Kuya?
A little bit more better.
A little more better, this one. Than what mommy did. What Daddy made? Huh?
But sometimes it looks like someone splattered paint on it.
That's
somebody
the
drawn on it.
design.
Whoa.
And there's a kunafa inside. But with the size, it's actually, I think, smaller. So if you know the size of a pepper roll, it's like the same size of pepper roll, but the pepper is longer. Do you like it, kids? Huh? You like it? Kuya, show to them. Are you eating it? Need some for Dad.
No, it's not. That's for Dad.
That's for Dad? No.